Hi, everybody. Deborah Morris with Deborah Morris Home Team, Keller Williams Advantage Realty. I have the honor of talking to Duanyelle from Reverse Mortgage Funding, and she is going to share with you a little bit about something I think you need to know about. If you don't, then someone in your family may need to. So Duanyelle, take it away. What do we need to know about words of wisdom in your company?
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Reverse mortgage funding, we're one of the largest lenders in the reverse mortgage space. We're the number one servicer in the reverse mortgage space as well. But what I wanted to kind of talk about, just some basics on the reverse mortgage and what it is. A lot of folks are not familiar with how it works, so I'll get right into it. So a reverse mortgage, also known as the home equity conversion mortgage, or a HECM, it's a home equity loan, and it has the option of making little or no payments. You're using the equity in your home. The program is really designed for seniors, retirees, or folks moving into retirement. It's similar to a loan you would get at a bank, with the key differences being it's specific for retirees, and you have that flexibility of making no mortgage payment at all. And really, with the reverse mortgage, you survey people like everybody else does. It's still the number one reason. Eliminating mortgage payment is the number one reason folks get it. To be eligible for a reverse mortgage, you need to be 62 years old. You need to live in your home as your primary residence for the life of the loan, and also have about 50%, if you don't own your home outright, just have at least 50% of equity in the home. I'm sure folks have heard of a reverse mortgage, and there's a few myths out there I'd like to kind of dispel. And the number one is the bank will own my home. Just like any other mortgage, your name is on the title and you own the home. Second is reverse mortgages take advantage of retirees. In fact, the reverse mortgage is specifically designed for retirees, and the industry is highly regulated. That includes me. Any lender that is offering a reverse mortgage has to go through strict state, federal guidelines, and there are regulations to protect borrowers. Folks think they won't qualify for a reverse mortgage if they already have a reverse mortgage or an existing mortgage. That's not true. Any proceeds will be used to pay off any existing mortgage or second mortgage included. Another myth is I won't be able to leave my home to my heirs. In fact, your heirs will still inherit the home. If they want to keep the home, they would just pay off the loan. They can also sell the home, pay off the loan, and any remaining equity is theirs to keep. Another myth is reverse mortgages are expensive. Like with most loans, all the fees are typically rolled into the loan. And for the reverse mortgage, generally folks are paying between $125 and $155 for mandatory reverse mortgage counseling. And that's the only out-of-pocket expense that they typically have. So now that we've got kind of the basics of that, and I've kind of dispelled some of the rumors, I really want to talk about another great option with a reverse mortgage, and that's called the reverse mortgage for purchase. Deborah, did you know you can purchase a home using a reverse mortgage?
No, I didn't. Tell me more.
Let me give you a scenario. This is really fascinating. So let's take Mr. and Mrs. Smith, 72 years old. They recently sold their home and they have $500,000. But they've set their spending limit for their new home at $450,000. So if they pay all cash for their home, they still have about $50,000 in the bank. I'm using whole numbers in the simplest math. And they have no mortgage payment, right? They've paid off their home. Well, now let's introduce the reverse mortgage into that scenario. So still have $500,000 to spend, still limited at $450,000 for the home. If they were to use a reverse mortgage, they'd only have to bring $254,000 to the table. The remaining amount of $196,000 would be made up of the reverse mortgage. That means they would have $246,000 in their bank and still no mortgage payment. So really using a reverse mortgage to purchase a home is just, I think, one of the most fantastic ideas for retirees. You want to live your best life, have some of that cash in the bank and be able to go out and do the things you want to do.
So basically, my key takeaways: 62 years old or older, you own
Right,
a home, have at least 50% equity in there. Give
right,
you a call, talk about options, so that way you can know that you're comfortable financially, possibly, with the options.
right. You got it. You are a quick study.
Thank you. And how do they reach you so that way they can get some more of those questions answered?
Sure. My email is dperry, DPERRY, at reversefunding.com. And if you can spell my first name, Duanyelle, you can find me everywhere else, LinkedIn, Facebook, things like that.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. And again, we all are getting older and we all need to know about options. And so we look forward to helping you. And Chuck and I, of course, always here for you as well. 321-348-0014. If we do not know the answer, more or less than not, we have somebody else that we know that can have the answers for you. So we look forward to helping you. Thank you so much, Duanyelle, and we'll have a great day.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.